Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrysler 300 check engine light. First, it's crucial to understand that resetting the light doesn't fix the problem. It only turns off the indicator. Always diagnose the root cause before attempting a reset. Make sure your car is parked safely with the engine off. You might need a 10mm wrench or an OBD-II scanner for these methods. Let's get started. One common method involves disconnecting your car's battery. First, locate your battery, which is often under the hood or in the trunk of your Chrysler 300. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal. It's the one marked with a minus sign. Wait for at least 15 minutes. This allows the car's computer to clear its memory. Then, securely reconnect the terminal and start your engine to see if the light is off. Another effective way is using an OBD-II scanner. You'll find the OBD-II port typically under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug your scanner into this port, then turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Navigate through the scanner's menu to read the diagnostic trouble codes, then select the option to clear them. Once confirmed, remove the scanner and start your car to check the light. Remember, resetting the check engine light is a temporary solution. If the underlying problem isn't fixed, the light will likely reappear. A persistent light means your vehicle needs attention. Ignoring it can lead to more severe and expensive damage down the road. If the light returns after a reset, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.